डोंडियाल सर को my majority of the time, you've seen the photograph of Dondial sir and me together.
Yes.
So that was just a few days before the Pulwama incident had taken place. And yeah, it was quite difficult on getting to know what happened to sir the night. Basically, his team had homed onto the bomb maker of the Pulwama blast. And then they went in for the operation. And at night when they moved in, they were adjoining buildings. The locals had already had their plans and things didn't go as per plan, And I kept a constant update regarding sir. I told sir, this is one thing, this has been very personal. We were at Srinagar transit camp together, and we had to appear for the part B exam, and sir and I were very close. मतलब कुछ भी मस्ती करनी है, कुछ करना है, either sir used to come to my room or sir used to call me कि तू आजा रूम पे. तो मैं I used to tell him कि I used to tell Donda, मैं कि सर सोने दो ना, अभी 11:30 हो रहे हैं, सुबह जल्दी भी उठना है. कहता नहीं तू आ जा, वरना मैं आ रहा हूँ. तो I used to be more reluctant कि मेरा कमरा खराब या गदर ना हो जाए. मैं कहता नहीं सर, wait, I'm coming. So I used to go and catch up with sir. तो रूम पे बैठे बैठे we used to talk for hours together and discuss operations, and we used to do brainstorming, जो आर्मी में कहते हैं अगर मगर की कार्रवाई. So we used to keep brainstorming कि कल यहाँ ऑपरेशन में जाना है, तो this is the road, this is the place. If we enter from here, then what are the possibilities of things to go wrong? So we used to discuss on the possibilities of ambushes, and then we used to have multiple route in and different route outs and stops. कहाँ लगाने हैं, reserves कहाँ लगाने हैं, cordon कैसे करना है ना, innermost cordon में कौन कौन से बंदे होंगे, weapon कहाँ लेके जाने हैं. तो बहुत सारी चीजें होती थी जो हम बैठ के डिस्कस करते रहते थे. The practical part basically of operation. So that used to keep me motivated and going, because वहाँ पे ना बड़ा cliche schedule हो जाता है in J&K. On routine basis, every day you're out hunting for terrorists and everything in the jungles and all. But on meeting your coursemate or a senior who's getting along well with you, तो उनसे काफी अच्छे ideas मिल जाते थे with their experience. So we used to always share knowledge with one another कि अगर करना है तो कैसे करना है, अगर मैं ये कर चुका हूँ तो these are the things that I had put in place. So Dondial sir and my equation is very good. In academy he had broken his pelvic bone. तो उस time sir recovered, and hats off to sir during his training along when I was with him. He ran 10, 20, 30 and 40 kilometers with all the battle load, and trust me, not even once. I mean, sir को किसी ने, I remember बोला था Dondial sir को कि sir अपना हथियार दे दो. He literally came at that person with the rifle का butt. He literally going to hit him. कहता how dare you tell me कि मेरा weapon ले लो या bag ले लो. कहता I am running, I will run, I will finish the race. तो हम उस टाइम डर गए थे. मैंने कहा भाई सर से तो मतलब बात ही नहीं करनी कि he needs help, he will manage. So he was a person with sheer conviction and self-confidence, and he was a very, like OLQ कहते हैं ना, selfless person. वो अपने आप पानी पीने से पहले दूसरे को पक्का पूछेंगे भाई तुझे पीना है, तो मैं कहता हाँ सर. तो कहता पहले तेरा पानी कहाँ है. Then I literally claim सर मेरा खत्म हो गया. तो कहते तेरी हालत देख के पता लग रहा है. कहते ले सिप ले ले. So that's how our equation used to be during training days with sir. BPT भी बहुत भागते थे, वहाँ पे ice slip मिल हो जाता था. तो restrictions में Dondial sir और मैं बहुत भागे इकट्ठे.
Okay.
जो punishments नहीं मिलती for dress नहीं ठीक, drill नहीं ठीक, या साइकिल पे अकेले जाते हुए पकड़े गए. तो Dondial sir और मैं were almost partners in crime.